Welcome back. In this video I want to show you how you can extend the battery life and the autonomy of LED lights. I have here a Parkside LED. This is the version with maximum 10 watt LED, input 5 volt 1 amp, and inside the battery is 3.7 volt full charge, for sure. 2020 milliamps is a lithium battery. And what we need to do, I want to open it. To be more easy to work. This kind of video is very satisfying. Good. I think I take this out too. Here we have 4 screws to open the light. 1, 2, and the last one. Here we have a rubber protection. Take this out. Here inside we have the circuit board with 2 screws. And here inside, if you see, we have 2 plugs. One is LED and one is battery. This is battery, this is LED. Here I weld a new battery, is 21,700. No, 21,700 is 3000 amps, but is more powerful. With this battery, new battery, I can take over 8 hours of autonomy of this power bank. So you will have here a battery 18650 model. Is right here is 2020 milliamps, and I install a bigger one. Here you can also put 2 batteries. You can weld 2 batteries to extend the life. But I have this from another tool, is in a good condition, and I extend the battery life with this. So we put back the battery in the battery plug. You must be careful because is plus and minus. Put the LED back. We fix this with 2 screws. Be sure this part is clean. I recommend you to clean also the glass. We put this back. Put the handle back. Okay. And now we must put this here. The other one. Let's test it. It's good. Now you have over 8 hours of autonomy on this. Thank you very much.